The message Unsupported Device Buddy AR is currently unavailable on this device is displayed in Pokemon Go when your device lacks support for AR augmented reality. AR allows you to view Pokemon in the real world through your phone's camera. Unfortunately, there's no known fix for this error on unsupported devices. Niantic, the developer of Pokemon Go, hasn't released a comprehensive list of supported devices. However, some users have observed that AR isn't accessible on older devices or those with lower processing power. To address this issue, you can attempt a few troubleshooting steps. Firstly, ensure that Pokemon Go is updated to the latest version, which you can accomplish by visiting the Google Play Store or App Store and checking for updates. If the problem persists, try restarting your device or uninstalling, and then reinstalling Pokemon Go. If none of these measures prove effective, it's likely that your device isn't compatible with AR. Nonetheless, you can still enjoy playing Pokemon Go without AR functionality, albeit without the ability to see Pokemon in the real world.